Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome back to Ankita's Creations. Today we are making this small Ganesha dot mandal painting. So I have this framed board canvas. तो मैं उसकी frame और canvas अलग अलग आता है. So I'm removing all the packaging from the canvas, and first we will apply gesso to the canvas base to prep the canvas. So I'm using this gesso. I don't like it very much, but because I have bought it, I will use it, and when it's finished, I'll buy the new one. Now I'm painting the base layer of my painting. So first I'm making a circle in the center of the canvas, and then I'm going to be doing an abstract gradient kind of effect with using neon acrylic paint. So I'm using yellow, orange and pink. All of these are neon acrylic paints. So once this is done, I'll paint the black background around this circle as a base of my painting. After this, the next step would be to paint Ganesha in the center. So what I do usually is to draw my image on a separate paper, and then I'll use carbon paper or tracing paper to transfer my image onto the canvas, because drawing on canvas is little bit hard because we cannot erase it as much as we can do it on the paper. And then I'm using black acrylic paint and a pointy brush to draw my Ganesha. Next is the final part of painting process, which is painting dot mandal, which I love. You all know how much I love it. So yeah, I'm using different shades of acrylic paint, some brighter shades, some darker shades to create depth, and brighter to create more brightness in the painting. And you can create your own design for the dot mandal part. You can do whatever you like to do. I'm trying to make it as much colorful as it can be. So here it is. Enjoy the process of dot mandal painting. Also, I'll try to link whatever materials link I could find online in the description box below. So you can check that out if you wish to try this kind of art. So for this painting, I got an order seeing my big Ganesha dot mandal painting. The buyer wanted to get a small one done in that theme, so that's why I made this. It already got sold. I don't have it anymore, but I'm happy I recorded a video of it so that I can share it with you all. Once I'm done with all the dots, I have sticked 4 mirrors at the corner of this painting, and that completes this painting. I'll let it dry for a few days, and then I'll apply varnish, and then once the varnish has dried, we will frame the artwork. So I forgot to shoot the varnishing process, but I have used Itsy Bitsy gloss varnish, and this is the frame. I'm attaching the hanging hook to the frame, and then I'll add the glue in the front section of the frame, and I'll place my canvas on top of it and let the glue dry nicely. And this is the whole artwork. After framing it, it looks so beautiful, and this is such a adorable and small gift to be given to anyone. So I hope you liked this video. Hit that like button if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already. Shared this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative.